Picture this, advisors. Your clients are anxious, the market's reacting to tariffs, and you have critical information to share. A clear, reassuring video message could be invaluable. The critical need to connect with worried clients sparks a sense of responsibility. Then the reality of setup hits. Lights, angles, on-screen explanations. Frustration builds at the thought of not being able to quickly offer the guidance your clients urgently need. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Across wealth management, especially now, the biggest hurdles to delivering timely, calming video updates isn't the lack of vital information, it's the time-consuming technicalities. What if you could bypass the complexity and simply record a reassuring message with the press of a button? Optimum Films Inc. presents the solution. A one-button studio recording system designed to make creating clear, emphatic client communications effortless, even amidst market volatility caused by tariffs. Drop a comment below if you'd like to know more or reach out to me directly, sid@optimalfilms.com.